Most developers forget to handle connection errors properly when connecting to MongoDB from Node.js. Let's see how to do it right. First, you need to choose a driver. The official MongoDB driver gives you low-level control, while Mongoose provides schema validation and an object data modeling layer. Both work great, but Mongoose is more popular for complex applications. Next, you'll need a connection string. This starts with the MongoDB protocol, followed by your host and port. For local development, that's localhost :27017. Then add your database name. For production, you'll use MongoDB Atlas with authentication credentials in the URL. To establish the connection, import Mongo client from the MongoDB package. Create a new client with your connection string, then call the connect method. With Mongoose, it's even simpler. Just call mongoose.connect with your URL. Both return promises, so you can chain then and catch or use them in async functions. Always use async await for cleaner code. Wrap your connection in a try-catch block to handle errors like network failures or authentication issues. Log the error and exit gracefully if the connection fails. This prevents your app from running without a database. Remember 3 key points. Reuse your connection instead of creating new ones for each request. Close the connection when your app shuts down using process. On exit, and enable connection pooling for better performance in production. To connect to MongoDB in Node.js, choose your driver, use the correct connection string, handle promises with async await, and always manage errors and connection lifecycle. Practice this pattern and you'll ace any MongoDB interview question. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.